Record.
Is it recording now?
Yes, right now.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County. Please seek shelter immediately.
Oh my God, it is freaking happening. I cut my hand back open and I don't even care. On the screen. Okay. Hold on. Okay, they're good. Hey, let's get in the car and go.
I can't get the car and go.
It's not going off yet. It should go. We should have time.
I've got to put money in the mailbox.
Curry.
I need just a second.
Yes. Here we go. We're going to go try and record the siren. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Sorry for my language. Hurry! I know, come on! Run!
It'll be done before we even get out the subdivision.
Oh, really? Let's just go. Speed if you have to.
I am not getting a ticket for $400.
Let's stay down there in case it goes off again.
I'm staying down there. I have to take care of the windows at home.
Okay, pull over. It's done. It's done. Pull over. That was short.
Why you wouldn't listen?
If you had went when I said
It
so.
still wouldn't have made a difference. 15 don't run out when there's a warning.
We've had before. People go out in Louisville and stuff in tornadoes. People drive into them.